Hey guys, so it's about 7 in the morning, Tuesday, November 25th, 2014. Yeah, so basically I'm just going to be documenting my life for you all to see on the internet, and hopefully you guys enjoy some of this. Or, yeah. Yo, so what's up guys? It's 9 in the morning, currently reading and listening to The Weeknd. So you might be saying, what are you doing up so early on a Tuesday? You don't work till 6 p.m. I actually bought this really cool book a few weeks ago at not a pawn shop, but one of those thrift stores. You know, they sell used stuff. It's called The Science of Self-Realization. It's a really awesome book. I highly recommend you guys read it. Alright guys, so here, day one, vlog, Bobby, the Bobby files. Anyway, quick little update. I was here just chilling, eating a fucking hot dog, and then next thing you know, I hear a little doorbell ring, and next thing you know, who do I find? Mary. Yeah, my favorite sister in the world. Yeah.
We're always sister, fucker. How do you take off the flash?
What do you mean?
Take off the flash.
Oh no, the flash is good. Trust me. Trust me.
I feel, dude, it looks so cool when I just have it like this.
Are you sure?
And then look, you're coming out really like, I don't know, like.
Okay, so without it, it's better.
Yeah, let me try it without it.
Just put. Alright guys, so we just got done with the video shoot. Thanks to my director, Mary, coming through, cutting up some sick footage. Yeah, so basically, this is like day one type of stuff. You know what I mean? We're just getting started here at Spacey Studios. Look out for some skits and some funny stuff coming up soon.
Yeah, we fucked. So what? It's about as far as your buddy goes. With your friends, you can't see where I'm going. You never know what kind of car I'll be in. See how much you be partying.
Alright guys, so I just woke up from a nice little 40-minute nap. Now I'm on my way to work. Should be fun. Wake up on Tuesday. Greg, you want to be in my vlog? This is vlog number 1, man. You want to experience the history? Are you doing it at work? Yeah, dude, I bought this like little tripod online for like $5.
That's something like a certain topic?
No, it's just like
Walking around to see how it looks?
Yeah, you know, just nothing crazy yet, you know. Just checking it out, letting everybody see, you know, what I do for a living.
You're recording?
I am recording. This is Senor Greg.
Right. Does this make you gay? Last night I had a dream about fucking this hot hostess, but in the dream, when we were about to fuck, she had a dick, and then obviously I was out of it, and I was like, why? I'm like, what the fuck?
The whole squad going up. Don't nobody give a damn now. Alright guys, so it's been a long day. Finally got home. I'm about to eat my leftover lunch and crash the hell out. Just kidding. I'm actually gonna edit this video and then knock out. Alright guys. Peace.
I'm fucking putting that on the internet, bro.